My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Birds Backgrounds. Birds Backgrounds is the junk extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. This extension actually functions as a typical browser hijacker because if it gets installed, it basically changes the default search engine settings without the user's permission or approval. And if it was found on your computer somewhere or another, make sure you get rid of it. So access the menu, go to extensions, click on manage extensions, and then remove this birds backgrounds extension from the list if you find it on the list. Also, I would recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system to detect and eliminate other infections from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.